What the hell happened?
It's a last call. Drink 'em if you got 'em.
Let's go back to your place and you can take advantage of my poor judgment.
I depend on your poor judgment.
I want to know if I can take this seriously.
What do you need to take us seriously?
Come on, kids, get a room.
Sorry, Miss Kitty.
Oi, what are you doing, geezer?
Is that the best you can do? I've got to fly back to London. I need you to take care of my cat.
I like cats.
I like dogs.
Hey, is Russ home?
Who are you? What's the baby, man?
Who did this to you?
La pistola. Either I get what I want or my pistol stuck from me.
These guys you messed up with, they're scary monsters.
I don't know anything.
What's sleeping in that?
What did you get me into?
Darling, you got to let me know.
Welcome to Narnia.
Should I stay or should I
How
go?
much is there?
Over 4 million. Everyone gets a cut. The Russians, the Puerto Ricans, the Hebrews.
What are you doing? Oh!
So what happens to me?
Sorry, mate.
You run away from what you're afraid of, then it owns you.
Buckle your seatbelt.
Should I stay or should I go now? Should I stay or should I go now?
What is going on?
Hasta aquí llegaste, cabrón.
Either we go deeper or we get out.
I don't want out.
Should I stay or should I go now?
I need to know that you're a guy that can handle it.
Hey!
I can handle it.
I don't suppose you're Jewish, are you?
Eat, skinny boy.
Either you're gonna upset her.
I like you, Hank.
Should I stay or should I